good day everybody. Welcome to another mathematics presentation. So in this presentation, I want us to answer these two questions. How to solve A, 2 power m times 3 power m times 5 is equal to 180. B, 8 power y plus 8 power y is equal to 1. So let's see how we can solve them. Alright, so here is our first question. So to solve 2 power m times 3 power m times 5 is equal to 180. So first thing, we can observe that this 2 is written in index form with a base of the power of m. Even this one, the power of m. Then we have a 5 right here. So first thing, we are going to divide both sides of the equation by a 5. Even this side we divide by a 5. So that this 5 and this 5 you cancel. You're going to remain with 2 power m times 3 power m equal to 5 here 1, 5 into 18, it's a 3. Remainder a 3. So 3 and the 0 becomes 35 into 30, it's a 6. So from here, what are we going to do? So what we are going to do from here is that we understand that if we have, go back to the laws of indices, if we have b power n times c power n, okay, this one can be written as, we can write b times c in brackets, then power n, because n and n, these are the same powers. So I'm going to apply this principle. We apply it here. So I'm going to write 2 times 3 in brackets raised to the power of m, then is equal to 36, because the exponents are the same. Okay, so from this stage we are going to multiply 2 times 3. This gives us 6 power m equal to 36. So here we need to find the value of m. So the base here is 6, then raised to the power of m. So this 36 is a perfect square number which can be written in index form with a base of 6. So 36 is equal to 6 power 2, because 6 power 2 means 6 times 6, which will give us 36. So we are going to write 36 in this form. So we are going to have 6 power m is equal to 6 power 2. So the bases are the same. We equate the powers. So therefore, m equal to 2. So this is the value of m. So we have answered our first question. Let us now move on to our question 2. Alright, so here is our question B. We need to find the value of y. We have 8 power y plus 8 power y is equal to 1. So the base here we have 8, the power is y. The base here is 8, the power is y. And we are adding. So since we have 2 common base and the exponent, okay, so there are 2. We can either write 2, then open bracket, we just pick 1, okay, which is just 8 power y, like this, okay, is equal to 1. So here we are going to divide by 2. Even here we divide by 2. So this 2 and this 2 will cancel. You're going to remain with 8 power y is equal to 1 over 2. So from here we can see that we have 8 here, which is the base. We need to find the value of y. So we are going to do this. If you have 1 over a, this can be written as a power negative 1. So we are going to write this 1 over 2 in this way. So we are going to have a 2 to the power negative 1. Then here we have 8 power y. So this can be written as 2 power 3 in brackets to the power of what? Y. So 2 power 3 means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 3 times, you get 8. So from this stage, we can apply now this principle where we have a power m in brackets, again raised to the power of n. We can multiply the powers, which is power of the power, m times n. This gives us mn. So we are going to do the same. We have 2, 3 times y. We have 3y equal to 2 to the power negative 1. So the whole essence of doing this is to make sure that we have the same bases. So if we have the same bases, we can equate the powers. So we are going to have 3y is equal to negative 1. So we divide by 3. Even this side we divide by 3. So this and this can cancel. Y is equal to negative 1 over 3. This is our answer. Okay, if you don't want to use this method, the same question where you have 8y plus 8y equal to 1, you can answer it in a different way, where you observe you have 8 power y plus 8 power y. So you can factorize 8 power y, open bracket, 8 power y into 8 power y, it's a 1, plus 8 power y into 8 power y, it's a 1, which will give us a 1 this side. So this will be 8 power y times 2, because 1 plus 1 is a 2. So you can see that this again will take us back to this stage. Right here we started dividing. We'll do the same even there. So thank you so much, everybody. We've come to the end of our presentation. This has been your presenter, Mr. Mlenga. Bye-bye.